Hey, this is Keith at Half Tracks and Honeybees. Uh, Not looking good here. Looks like we might be having a bit of a swarm. I hate that too. That was out of one of my strong hives. I really don't want to lose half of them. So we'll have to see what happens here. They seem quite docile at the moment. So either we're swarming or we're having a heck of an orientation flight, but we'll find out here shortly. Look at them pouring out of the entrance. Quite a few going on the ground, kind of going up under the hive. The sky's getting full of bees. I believe we got a swarm. Dang it. We'll see where they go. Well, you can see they're starting to congregate a bit in the top of this cedar tree, but they haven't really clustered in a ball yet. I've put a box down here. It's got some honey. I broke some of the cells and rubbed some honey around. I also put some swarm commander on it. Get a little bit of scent in the air. Got a few bees starting to show a little bit of interest. But yeah, they're still up here at the moment. The cedar tree is going to be a bit of a pain to get the swarm out of. It's so limby, but we got a few tricks up our sleeve if we need to knock them out. So we shall see. Meanwhile, over at the hive, things have kind of calmed down over here. A lot of bees on the ground. I don't really see the queen or see where they're balling up anything right there. I'll have to keep a lookout. But who knows? Practice swarm, primary swarm. I don't know. Bees don't read the same books that we do. Sometimes it's hard to figure them out. Oh well. Well, it looks like they're settling down. You probably can't see it on here, but there's a little swarm back in there. The cluster don't look that big, but I can't get to it with my bucket on a pole. So I'm going to use my what I call bug the crap out of them method. I used it the last time. I kept breaking up the cluster until they gathered up on a tree low enough to the ground where I could get them. So I've got this long bamboo pole that I can reach up there and knock them with. So obviously I can't video it and do that at the same time, so I'll catch you on the flip side. Okay, that got him back in the air. I couldn't get to them where they were at, so really it can't get any worse. Still got the bikes down here. So let's see where they go next. If they land up there again, I'll bug them again. So like I said, it can't get any worse. Well, the biggest part of the swarm is still up in the tree, but I've got this box down here, and it's like they're slowly coming down here. Look at the action around the entrance. They're not acting like robber bees. You got a couple of them that are fanning. It's just kind of weird. But they're flying around like they're orienting. It's kind of weird. But yeah, the swarm is way up in the tree. You can't see it, but it's out of reach of what I can do. But anyway, I'm just fascinated by whatever this is going on out here. Maybe they are just robbing, but most of the time robbers don't hang around on the landing board like these are. You know, and I must say, my Russian scion I put up to catch the swarms is just doing really great. So I'll leave them up. Ooh, look at that. Look, a bee's getting close to it. Oh my God. Look at that. No, I don't think so. Well, there's the swarm. They're up too high in the tree and on the trunk, and I can't really knock them off. So they're not lost, but I hadn't got them in a box either. So we'll just watch them, see where they go. Maybe they'll end up going in one of my swarm traps. Maybe. Who knows? It's not a huge swarm, so the hive's not totally killed for the honey season, but we'll see what happens with it. I hate we couldn't get them in a box, but we tried. That's all we can do. Y'all take care. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you like it, please subscribe. Take care. Well, here we are the day after the swarm. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. It's been a foggy morning, so the sun isn't really out yet. But the hive looks pretty normal for this time of the day. They're flying about like they usually are. Let's check and see what they look like up top. I use screen inner covers, so it's easy to see what's going on. So you can see we still have a lot of bees in the hive. So hopefully the swarm didn't hurt us too bad.